The front one, however, I think is going to be a... What's going on, legends? I might have set myself up for a bit of a tricky one today. I've got this Volkswagen Tiguan. Going to be putting an aftermarket sway bar kit in it. So, yeah, and adjusting the coilover. So it could be a bit of a tricky one. We'll, yeah, get it on the hoist and see what we've got to work with. But, yeah, I'm looking forward to it because it's something different. But with something different, can always be a little bit tricky. So, anyway, let's get into it.
Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a body that's a no.
Just bought the Kenny about a million options. So it's talking to stop doing the green. And I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me that's seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction.
She tit for dick, I let her lit. I had to dip, I'm on for fifth, I'm all rich now. I bought a whip, I paint a paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a body that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stops. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a body that's a oath.
Alright, so I've done the rear coilover as well. I've got to check him. I'll probably have to fine tune that a bit because he wants it exactly 720, but I'll need to take it for a drive so that I can get the coilovers to settle so that I can measure it again. But yeah, the rear coilover's been adjusted and the rear sway bar has been fitted. That was pretty straightforward. It was just like doing any other sway bar. The front one, however, I think is going to be a... the front one's going to test me, I reckon. So I've definitely got to drop down the subframe to get the sway bar out. So I'm going to put an engine brace on here just to be sure. It's got a top mount in the center, and I reckon it's hard to see under the airbox without pulling it apart. I reckon I'll have another mount to the body on the transmission side, as well as the mounts underneath. So I don't think the engine's going to fall out or anything, but I'm just going to chuck one across and just chuck a strap to it, just in case, as a backup. I don't think it's going to hurt. At least that way I'm going to be underneath there, so I want to be safe myself. But yeah, I'm very confident that it's all going to be fine. It's just always good just to make sure you're bulletproof. Everything's 100%, not 90%, 100%, and then that way you know you're safe. But anyway, it's going to be a little bit of a mission to do this front one, but yeah, let's get stuck in it.
Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolating while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it crunk up on that.
So definitely the two main mounts for the engine go to the frame of the body, so it's fine. It's not actually going to be taking any weight. It looks like the only mount is just like a really just stop the engine from swinging. That's onto the subframe. So I've just put all these straps on there just as a precaution. A lot of people will be like, mate, you put straps on there, you should have put chains. And there actually isn't that many good things to be able to grab off in there, so it's kind of straps was the only option. The other thing, not sure if I should admit this, but I owned a Wreckers for a long time, and we used to lift engines out with straps. So yeah, I know that they definitely are going to handle the weight, so I'm not too worried about that side of it. And yeah, in the circumstance that I need them to do what they're going to do, they're going to do it perfectly, even if there wasn't any mounts in there. Yeah, so we'll be able to drop that subframe, because I've got my transmission jack, which, you know, that'll be taking the weight of that subframe anyway. So it's not like I'm actually going to be dropping any real weight anywhere. It's just more if I had to move the transmission jack out to get the sway bar in, I don't want to be stuck in a predicament where it's like, well, got things half in, half out, and I can't do anything. Because that's a shit situation to be in. So you're better off having the straps on the motor, having it all ready to go. Worst case scenario, if I need to use them, because I have to undo a mount or something, I can. But they're really going to be doing nothing throughout this, unless something went wrong. But anyway, back into it.
On up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, fire waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, fire waiting, so just dance for me.
So you have to remove the footrest there. That's just a one screw and it comes off. And then you'll go in here and undo that bolt in there. It's just a 13mm bolt. And then once you've undone that bolt there, then you can just slide that shaft up, which is going to allow you to drop that subframe down just enough to get it out. You might be able to get it done without doing that, but you know, for the sake of a bolt, I'd rather not put pressure on things that don't need it.
Let's get it on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, fire waiting, so just dance for me. Come on, everybody, get on down, cause you know we got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just party with me. Let loose and set your body free. Leave your situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor. Now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated, while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Dance for me.
Well, I've just got to chuck it on the hoist and do my final checks, but it's all sitting 720 around the whole car, so it's good. It drives great. It's actually a nice little car to drive. Yeah, so all went well. All in all, it wasn't too bad of a job to do. I mean, if you didn't have the right tools, it probably could be fairly complicated, but went pretty straightforward. It was just like I said at the start, it's just all nuts and bolts. If you know how to bolt things, if you know how to work on stuff, you can work on anything. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I'm sure he's going to be happy with it. Not that I know what it drove like before, and I've only gone up and down the street, but yeah, I just want to let it sit for a little bit and then just remeasure it. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, sorry. I'll take it back up and down the street and then check the measurements again, just make sure 100% 720. Once I know that it's settled at that height, I'll chuck it back on the hoist and just go over all the nuts and bolts and stuff again, and then yeah, that's good to go. But yeah, so far I think this will be the end of this video unless I find something. I appreciate you watching. If you guys need work like this done to your car, hit me up.